If I was to tell you, you could increase your profits by over $30,000 a year just by implementing a simple organizational tool, would you believe me? So in this video, you're gonna see a calculator that I built out. As I was building it out, I had my reservations. So I reached out to a fellow hardscaper who's owned the BARBoxx. He drew out a picture of what the value of owning the BARBoxx is. So let's watch the video of him, then we'll run through the calculator and see if it's worth the investment.
All right, guys, I get a lot of DMs about why in the world I'd spend $3,000 on a BARBoxx to keep all of our commonly used tools and equipment in on a job site. Well, let's imagine we have a patio in the back of a house that's approximately 50 yards on average from where we have to park our truck and trailer at the street currently. It takes about 5 minutes to walk to the trailer, open it up, dig through the trailer, find what you need, walk back. Let's say that's about 10 minutes round trip each time we go. So that's 10 trips per day. Figuring that low, probably a lot more. 10 times 10 minutes is 100 minutes. So that's an hour and 40 minutes. We charge $120 per man hour. So that's 120 times 1.66. That's about $199 a day that we're wasting. So you divide the $3,000, the cost of the BARBoxx with shipping, by $199. You pay for that BARBoxx in 15 days. Imagine how much extra time we're gonna have at the end of the year when all of our overhead's paid off and we just have that super profit time where we can make money with our overhead paid off. That's gonna allow us to do, a couple more projects. So that just by investing that $3,000, we're having an opportunity here. That's incredible.
So how many of you can relate to that back and forth all day long? And have you really calculated the amount of times that you have done that, as well as the time that it takes to do that? Then you can simply implement your own data. And if you don't need to go any further and you understand the value of the investment, please click the link on the screen and go get yourself a BARBoxx today and start saving. If you want to see more, we have a calculator that you can implement your own data and numbers and really see whether it's worth the investment for you. Alrighty, so we have our calculator here. This is a really neat calculator and very simple. We have two options, whether you get the BARBoxx or the organizer, both great tools for organizing on your job sites. So you can select one or the other. We're going to put in here the time that it takes you to make the trip from the trailer or truck back to the backyard. We're going to put down 10 minutes. That's what the contractor used for a time, and I think it's pretty realistic, but you can change this. Argue with me that it only takes you 2, that's fine. Put that in there. And then also put in the number of trips, right? So we can, it can vary on a given day, but just average, how many trips do you make back and forth? Maybe take a day and kind of document how many trips you take, or put a GoPro up and watch how many times you come back and forth. That'll give you a good idea of how many trips you are making. And then input your hourly rate, right? This is the rate you bill out at. So if you're billing out at $120 an hour, which is average, you could say I don't bill out at 120, you bill out at 100, that's fine, put 100 in there. It'll change all the numbers here. So the money wasted by going back and forth is $166 a day, right? So that time that you're spending is $160 down the drain, right? So keep that in mind. Now the cost of the item is $37.50. You can put that number in there. It's already going to put it in there once you check the box up top. And it's going to give you how many days it will take to pay this off. 22 days this thing's going to pay itself off. 3 working weeks. Impressive. With that being said, it's also going to free up 416 hours worth of your time in a given year. Think about what you can do with those 416 hours. You could either be starting the next process or project. You could be spending more time with your family. There can be many things that you could do at that time. So just keep that in mind. And then additional savings at the end of the year is going to be $37,000 in profit that'll go back in your pocket. If you're not the owner of the business, if a company is profitable, typically they do profit sharing, right? So think about that as well. If you can profit more, speed up the efficiencies on your job site, using simple organizational tools is one of them, right? The company makes more profit, allows you to share that with you. So, simple calculator, put your numbers in, See whether it's worth the investment to you. You really could probably put these down to almost nothing and it would still pay out at some point, right? So it's worth the investment. It really is a no-brainer. Get yourself organized, get a bar box, get a tool organizer, and start being profitable today. Now that we're rounding out the session, you've seen it from a contractor that's been utilizing the bar box, put his numbers in to understand the value of utilizing an organizational tool like this. You also have access to this Excel spreadsheet and calculator where you can actually input your own numbers. That's in the description below, so please click it, put your own numbers in. Now, as hardscapers, we know that the only thing that we have control over on a job site is time. Now, we reference that with the bar box. If you want to see how you can drive out waste and add time and profit to your bottom line by utilizing tools for installing more efficiently, check the video out on the screen where we do a multi-6 versus by hand comparison. We brought you value on the bar box. We'd like to bring you more value in your installs, so please watch the video, and thanks for watching this one. We'll see you again next week.